Hey Frank!
Hey,
what's up, bro? I think there's a gas station somewhere down here. It's pretty crazy. Yeah, Groms, man, those are so hard to wheelie. Because like, supermotos, if you feel like you're going back too far, you can just cut the throttle and engine braking will take you back. There's no engine braking with Grom, so it's like you have to have pure rear brake control. That's how I almost looped that one of those kids' Groms. That was so scary. But yeah, if you got good at wheeling that, dude, you could wheelie anything, no problem. Practice, man. If you rode as much as me. Yeah. Oh yeah, dude, we'll just bang her on the spot. What if I just... That'd be so bad, honestly. Tell me when. Alright. Dang, I remember this was like the water. Yeah, you can literally see where the water came up to, like right there. Isn't that crazy? Yeah, I know, man. What if you just like rode into the ocean, like the ocean? That's funny. It looks nice, man. Yeah, that's actually a nice bike. Yeah, Yamaha Bolt. Nice, dude. Probably like the best twisties around. Pretty good, isn't it? They're fun. I take the next right. It's like right here. Take this right. Right here. Yeah, you could hit that. Woo! Yeah, I think it is. Oh, I see you, bro, but that's crazy, Eddie. That guy was pissed. Oh my gosh, that guy was mad.
They're probably like 20 bucks. Yeah, I could act like okay.
Hey! Give me
You don't fucking touch me, I'm the coach. Now get running till I throw up.
I can act like Coach Rayson.
Oh, BJ!
What did Coach Ace have always used to say?
Oh, you're BJ.
Oh my god.
Talking to us, and he takes his glasses off and just looks around. I know what bitch! Bitch! God damn! You guys suck! Yeah!